In the earlier video, I have introduced you to the gas turbines. Now we'll look at the velocity triangle in detail about the gas turbine. So in the things related to steam turbine also, we have seen that we had a velocity triangle, separate velocity triangle, and we had a combined velocity triangle which was having a common base of u, that is the mean blade speed. The similar thing we'll be using over here also, so it's easy for us to visualize the velocity triangle and the velocity magnitudes, the angles, everything. So let's say one subscript means the nozzle inlet, that is the stator inlet. Two is the nozzle exit or stator exit, and this is same as rotor inlet. And three is rotor exit. And angles are represented with respect to axial direction, that is with respect to VF and not U. So that was also a case for one of the things which we have seen earlier. So we used to define angle alpha or beta with respect to blade speed u, and this were either v for alpha or vr for beta. But now we are now going to define the angles with respect to u, perpendicular direction from u. So this will be vf for us. This is we have known earlier, and these angles are going to be alpha and beta. So they are the angles of V and VR with respect to VF. That is the direction perpendicular to the blade speed. So that's the change. And you must remember the terminology given in the question, that the angle is with respect to U or with respect to VF, or it is in direction of blade speed, or it is in direction of perpendicular to blade speed. So over here you can get tricked in the questions. So let's look at the velocity triangle. They are very much same as what we have seen in steam turbines also. So we have common base U. Let me zoom in. Yes, we have V2, V3. So the one thing we need to remember is we know that 2 and 3 are the inlet and exit for the rotor. So over here we'll be start using 2 and 3 instead of 1 and 2, which we were doing earlier. So we have VF2, VF3. We have V2, V3, VR2, VR3, and the angles are with respect to the perpendicular direction of U, that is with respect to VF. And VW1 and VW2 and VW3 are defined as earlier. So all the things remain same. The only thing changes is the angles. We are defining angles with respect to the perpendicular direction. Now let's use velocity triangle to define work done. So we have work done per unit mass flow rate is equal to U delta VW. The same equation we have derived earlier in other topics also. So U into delta VW1 plus VW2 magnitudes, and the same thing can be written in terms of enthalpy, and enthalpy can be written in terms of CPT. Because we are handling gases, we can do this change from enthalpy to CPT, because we are handling gases, and gas we can assume to be an ideal gas, ideal gases. Yes, so that's the thing. And in the stator also, we know that the total temperature is not going to change because we are not applying any energy to it. So T01 and T02 are same, and from T01 minus T03 we can directly write T1 minus T3, because we want no increase or decrease in velocity. We want the velocity to remain same. We do not want to increase the velocity, rather we want to increase temperature, and hence we use that temperature to drive the turbine. Temperature means the pressure. We use the pressure to drive the turbine and get the work output. So we do not want velocity to increase. So velocities are same at the inlet and exit of the stator rotor combination. So one stage. And from the velocity triangle, we can write this. So U is equal to VF into 10 beta 2, 10 alpha 2 minus 10 beta 2. And the same thing can be written with respect to 10 beta 3 10 minus 10 alpha 3. Or we use U by VF is equal to two angles, like relation between tans of alpha and beta. And we can manipulate it and substitute it over here to get W equation. These are coming from velocity triangle itself. So W is U VF into tan of alpha 2 plus tan alpha 3, or we use W is equal to U VF tan of beta 2 plus tan of beta 3. So we'll stop over here. In the next video, we'll start with efficiencies related to that. Efficiencies related to gas turbine.